Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C51 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find either passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you which section you prefer to use. I want to use this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the section for the accounts. We do not have any accounts added, so let's start with adding new one. Tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And sometimes you will have to verify yourself, so enter the pattern PIN or password to confirm. And as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.